Good day and good morning. My name is Chris Palmer. Welcome back to the channel. If you have not already, please subscribe. In today's video, we will discuss KPIs, key performance metrics. If you have an SEO agency, I am sure you are coming to the realization that benchmarking and keeping track of your key performance metrics is very crucial for your business. So that is what we will discuss in today's video, the key performance metrics that you need to track. Let's get into it. So, starting this video off, let's go through the key performance metrics, the KPIs that I feel are most important. Now, in my next video, what I will go ahead and do is I will show you how to set up and track these KPIs. Okay, but in this video, I will go over what I feel is most important. So let's just kick that off. Let's go with number one. Oh, that's a nice one there. Let's try that again. Let's start with number one. So in my personal opinion, okay, my professional opinion, I feel that the ROI, the return on investment, okay, so the SEO ROI, all right, is one of the most important metrics that you will need to track. Okay, so your SEO ROI, so your ROI on SEO is definitely going to be number one. Okay, guys, so that's going to be number one. Now, the next thing that I feel that you need to track are your keyword rankings. Now, these won't be in any particular order. These are just the things that came to mind. I wrote them down quick so I could share them with you. So your keyword rankings. Establishing a benchmark for your keyword rankings, all of your keywords, where you started from and where your rankings are going. Are they going up? Are they going down? But your benchmarking and your keyword rankings will be second on my list. So your keyword rankings are definitely going to be number two. They're in no particular order. Okay, guys? Moving on, another key performance indicator, another KPI that I feel is very important are the amount of linking domains. Okay, let me rephrase that. Not the total amount of linking domains, but the actual referring domains. How many different IPs are linking back to your website? That is a very important key performance indicator, a very important KPI for your SEO agency, for your digital agency. This is a key performance metric that you need to track. So for number three, the amount of domains that are linking back, unique IPs, unique referring domains, that is number three. That is a key performance metric you need to track. Now let's go on to traffic. Now moving on into number four, your traffic that you generate, okay? And really, the traffic that you're generating, the organic traffic, I should say. Organic traffic from search, right? This is a benchmark. This is a key performance metric that you need to benchmark and that you need to track, in my opinion. So your organic traffic is most certainly going to be number four. Now, this is a performance metric that I would certainly track. Now, let's move on to the very last. So this would be number five. I guess I could have combined the last one and this one. So organic traffic, right? The amount of organic traffic and the ROI on that organic traffic, right? So you're performing tasks, I'm going to keep this on topic. You're bringing in new organic traffic and you're tracking that. The next piece that goes right next to that is how much ROI, return on investment, for your SEO spend, right? How much ROI from SEO are you receiving? This is most certainly a KPI or a key performance indicator that you need to track. So really, I covered 4 here, 5 technically speaking. Key performance indicators for your search engine optimization agency, your SEO agency that you need to track. I hope that you found value in this video, and that will be it for KPIs for your SEO agency.